The Cockpit Table. The Cockpit Table is what separates the indicator from everything else on TradingView. Look at what it shows you right now. Session context, high time frame bias, market mode, EMA bias, VWAP position, structure direction, volume state, premium or discount zones, active liquidity events, your Confluence Score, and whether or not the indicator's watching the setup or waiting. 13 rows of real-time market context, all updating live as price moves. Before this, I was flipping between 4 to 5 different tools or indicators. Just to answer questions, this table answers in seconds. Now, I look at this first before I look at anything else on the chart. If the cockpit says chop, I'm not trading. If it says watching longs with 5 or 6 out of 6 Confluence Score, I'm ready.